Do you know what separates you from the 3% that have success losing weight and getting in shape with jump rope? After 15 years of teaching jump rope, I've found that there are 5 catastrophic mistakes that you're likely making that are destroying your efforts. I'm gonna show you what they are and what to do instead. Let's dive in. Thinking you need to eat very little or just eat salads or healthy foods while cutting out all sugars, carbs, fats, and taking on some kind of crazy diet. This is called going to extremes, and extremes will make you extremely unhappy, which will lead to a very high failure rate at reaching your goal. What you need to do is make gradual changes. Start by changing one meal, like lunch, to a better option. I often make a wrap with protein, veggies, and light dressing instead of going out to eat. This will not only help you reduce calorie intake, which is key to weight loss, but it will save you a ton of money over time as well. Once you have lunch dialed in, start working on some options for dinners and then breakfast. The point is, these meals shouldn't be boring and tasteless. You need to find a happy medium of keeping flavor while reducing calories. And by making these changes gradually, you'll build new habits that you can easily stick with forever. Biting off more than you can chew, and I'm not talking about food again. I'm talking about people wanting to go from couch potato to jump rope marathoner overnight. Marathoner? This will end one way. With an injury. 30, 60, and 90-day challenges suck because it forces you into thinking it all has to be done in this time frame. All right, I just need to do this for 60 days and then you'll quit. That's what you'll do because you'll have gone so hard that even if you don't injure yourself, you'll be completely burnt out and hating life. I know this because I've been there. What you need to do is take a chill pill and again, start gradually. Do an amount that you can commit to, not just for 90 days, but for forever. That may mean starting at just 3 10-minute workouts a week to build up stamina and get used to getting in your workouts. Then, when you feel ready, bump it up to 4 to 5 days a week. Next, you start increasing the duration of your workouts to 15, 20, and 30 minutes. Just remember, it's not a race. Learn from my mistake and enter this with thinking that this is the last time you ever have to start working out ever again. Starting is hard. I had to do it 3 times and it sucked every time. After the last time, I vowed to never stop again and haven't. I'm happy to say, once you gain momentum, it will become easier and easier as you keep going. Wanting to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. Is it possible? I suppose. But is it healthy? No. Remember what extremes do? They make you extremely unhappy. Most people that win the lottery go broke, and most people that lose weight fast gain it back. What you need to do is plan to carry on the better habits we are creating for forever. And aim for averaging 1 pound of weight loss per week. At that rate, in 6 months, it would be 26 pounds. And after a year, 52 pounds. That's life-changing. Yes, it takes longer, but the difference is you will have built the habits to now maintain your new body and lifestyle easily. Quitting because you messed up and ate bad or missed a week or 2 of workouts. Give yourself some grace. I'm not perfect and you don't need to be either. What you do need to be is consistent over the long haul. Missing a workout here or there won't make much of a difference in the end. If you average 3 workouts a week for a year, but you miss 10 workouts or 3 weeks worth of workouts, that sounds like a lot, but you did 146 out of 156 possible workouts. That's a 93% compliance rate. That's freaking amazing. In fact, if you're 80% compliant, you will likely see great results. What will destroy your progress 100% of the time is if you miss some workouts, start beating yourself up, and quit. Instead, just jump back in. You'll have guaranteed victory if you don't give up. Many jump rope beginners don't learn the right way. It may seem easy, but if you don't size your rope correctly, it can throw off everything, leaving you frustrated and ready to quit. Even if you stick with it, these errors diminish the effectiveness of this fat-burning inferno of a workout and turn it into a smoldering, smoky mess. Instead, learn the key 3. They are simple, and doing this will unlock your full jump rope potential and make it a lot more fun. I show you what they are right here.